वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का साइंस सेमेस्टर 2 16 लेसन वाटर अ प्रीशियस रिसोर्सेस सेमेस्टर 2। तो चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। इसमें फर्स्ट है व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर अवेलेबल फॉर आवर यूज ऑफ द ऑल वाटर फाउंड ऑन द अर्थ। 0.006% है। In how many and which form is water circulating through water cycle founded in three form, that is solid, liquid and gas? Where is the water found in solid state on the earth? All of the given. By infiltration, water seeps into the ground. Which of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Heavy rainfall. The total water of the world remains constant. Filling the blanks. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. The water found below the water table is called gaseous. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. People obtain groundwater through ground and water. Three forms of water are solid, liquid and gas. The water bearing layer of the earth floats. Question 3. Answer the following question in one words. Which day is celebrated as the World Water Day? 22nd March. What is the gaseous form of water called water vapor? By which process does the groundwater get recharged? Infiltration. Which method of irrigation is used by the farmer to use water economically? Drip irrigation technique. Question 4. True false. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations is minimum 50 liters per person per day. True. The continuous cycling of water in its three form keeps the total amount of water on the earth constant. The drawing of groundwater should be increased. True answer है ये। सेकंड का भी ट्रू आंसर था। Excessive rain causes flood in the river. True. The fresh water store in the ground is much more than that present in the river and lakes of the world. False. Water from river is the only source for irrigation in the field. True. Rain is the ultimate source of water. True. Answer the following question in one sentence. In which resources is the water stored on the earth? Answer है water on the earth is stored in seas, oceans, river, lakes, ice caps, groundwater and in the atmosphere. Question 2. From where do a large number of people get water for their consumption? इसका आंसर है large number of people get water for their consumption from river, lakes and groundwater. What is called water table? The upper level of the water under the ground below which soil and rock are completely filled with water. What are the sources of groundwater? The sources of groundwater are rain, river, lake and pond. What is infiltration? What is called infiltration? The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. What is called an aquifer? Aquifer is an underground layer where water is stored between rock below the water table. How is water in an aquifer pumped out? Water in an aquifer is pumped out with the help of tube well and hand pump. What might happen if the groundwater is not sufficiently replenished? Water table will go down if the groundwater is not sufficiently replenished. Answer the following question in short. What is the water supply system in big cities, town and most interior villages? Water is supplied in big cities, town and villages through a well-planned pipe system. There is a main pipeline from which the water is supplied to each and every area. How does the increase in population decrease water table? Increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements. It decreases the open areas from where water gets seeps in. As a result, less seepage of water decreases the amount of underground water and thus decreases the water table. How does increasing industry decrease water table? Industries use a lot of underground water for their production process. As a result, water in the water table decreases. Explain. Bowery was a traditional way of collecting water. Boweries are well or pond where steps have been built into the side that lead down to the water. Rainwater get collected in these boweries. Can say Bowery was a traditional way of collecting water. Question 5. What should be done to stop the wastage of water? First, water. Answer in first point. Water should not get washed through leaking tap. Second, unnecessary use of water should be avoided. Third, recharge of underground water should be increased. Fourth, everyone should use water economically. Question 6. How is groundwater recharged? Recharging. Answer. Recharging of groundwater takes place by the rainwater and water present in the water source like river and pond. The water tends to seep through the cell and fill the empty space and cracks below the ground. That how groundwater is recharged. Answer the following question in detail. Explain the factors responsible for the depletion of water table. The factors responsible for depletion of water table are as follow. In first point, increasing population creates more demand of water. Increasing industries, a lot of water is used in industries. Water used by most of the industries is drawn from the ground. Third point, agriculture activities in water is needed for agriculture due to less and erratic rainfall. The crop is supplied water from as well or tube well. Inadequate rainfall. Fourth point, due to inadequate rainfall, the filtration of water in ground is also less. Fifth, deforestation. The forest area decreases and industries and cities are established. Activities. First, to get information about industries and their production procedure. State the name of some industries familiar to you. Make a list of the product obtained from these and used in our daily life. Discuss with your teacher and parents about this. Information table. Name of the industry, product obtained. Textile industry, cotton, silk, polyester cloth, saris, cloth for shirt and pant. Petrochemical industry and chemical industry. Paint, dyes, chemical, acid, base, washing, soda, plastic, polymer, detergent, rubber. Fertilizer industry. Various type of fertilizers like urea, ammonium sulfate, DAP, calcium phosphate. To get information about average annual rainfall by referring the rain map of India. Procedure. The rain map of India showing the annual average rainfall in our India is given in figure 16.8 of textbook. Locate the area on the map where you live in. Is there sufficient rainfall in your area? Is there sufficient water available in your area throughout the year? ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.